Alright guys, first video here. This is my 2002 Lexus IS300. It's not anything too pretty to look at. I'm doing a wrap on it here soon, so I'm trying to get the hood prepped and smooth for you so I can do that properly. It's 2002, shout out to Juicebox, 2002 IS300. It's automatic. It's not so fun for an automatic. It's lowered on some Tane coilovers, got some Enki wheels, and it's got a axle back exhaust. I don't know what kind it is. I totally forgot, but it's just whatever. I think it's like maybe like a Borla or something. Sounds alright. My plan is to eventually manual swap it and have some fun with it. So I guess we'll document the process on that. But today, I'm going to be doing a lower control arm. So, and I'll insert the footage of why we're doing the lower control arm so you can understand what happened. It wasn't being so smart, so I'll show that to you guys. But hit up the good people at Rock Auto and got the new control arm. I've already replaced one of these, and we'll do this one next and then get an alignment, see how it goes. So let's see what happens. Okay, control arm, wheel lock, 17 for that, impact, let's take the wheel off. Alright, so this is the arm we're going to be moving here. So we'll take that off and compare to the other one and see how badly bent it is. I didn't film, but I already replaced this guy. This lower control arm right. That one right there. That one already replaced. So, and that one, if I can find the picture, I'll show you, it was super badly bent. So let's take it off and see it. So, got all the 3 main bolts off, but I need my light to stay. I need to take out these think they're 14s. Take those two guys off, and that should loosen up. And be able to pry that out of there. Oh, I see. So there's a whole sleeve that slides over. It makes it a little bit of a pain. So now, let's see if we can compare these. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell if one's bent more than the other. I don't know, but hopefully it'll help. We'll see how it goes and see if it fixes anything. So let's put the other one on. Oh, nope, that's not gonna work. Hammer. There we go. Okay. So, this light. Okay. This guy fell down. That one is 17. That's all you need. Who torques anything nowadays? I don't know anybody who torques anything. I mean, except for wheels or head studs, but stuff like this. Just good. And that's all you need. This stuff is good. So, that wasn't too bad. New rear lower arm in. Tightened up, all good to go. That was not long at all. So, I'm gonna put the wheel back on. Lower it down. I didn't show you guys before what it looked like, but I'm just gonna see if it's sitting better than it was. You could tell the wheel was pushed a little further back into the wheel well, so hopefully it sits a little bit forward and then we can go get an alignment and be good. Because I don't want to go through tires. So, see how it looks. And it's still sitting a little far back compared to this side. It's not too bad, but it is a little bit. So that didn't fix it. I guess next thing to do is the knuckle. And yeah, I guess I gotta go find a knuckle for this thing and see how it goes. But as far as that goes, I'll torque the wheel and yeah, I'll torque the wheel and let you guys know how it drives, because I gotta drive it home tonight, so shouldn't be too bad. But anyways, thanks for watching. That was my first video ever, just installing that lower control arm. Like I said, I plan to be doing a lot more stuff to this as soon as it gets hotter out. I'm gonna finish prepping this hood, and then I have some new wrap over here. I have some Avery Dennison Carmine Gloss Red. So blue's not my favorite color, red definitely is. We'll see what this thing looks like all red and manual swapped. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching.